and Alternative Medical Hospital ena asoya sna yede bremo call amen na kope ayaresa obetumi du ho atoso bia wokọ a yehwe ayarefo ye ntiatia omo nhunahuna omo empehipehi omo ntramtram omo na mo fa akwani asa pii so na ehwe odipa nso so ma unya wayaresa pepepe a omobo no enchen so mroso bia besun botom enti tutumrika na ko amen aso ya mbebebo yiso na kope ayarehwe enkran amen ewo dome eben snet flat se ko railway hono se wunima na wabisa Clagon eben Ashaman Underbridge afin credi this way ubenya amen scientific herbal and alternative medical hospital asweye wo ho Kumasi Kejitia atwemata chima eben Kumasi Tamale Takrade Bolga hohoi sunyane doma wa na tebubu ene miamia ka bia ebrenti ntumi emobodin se wokọ amen na inshallah onsa ebeka yarehwa o pe no amen mra ne o se Allah shafi fi so mugidie ni se a doctor for nurse for apomudin hwefo ebebo moden a ye ne o so mbetumi na nso yaresa na nkasa de efinyame nchen nti ena mobom mra ne se Allah shafi onyame ne yaresa for first number is 0207229505 and 0245275254 0244227192 we nyina ye amen numbers abetumi afra omo bidi kan ka kire mo se ne condition ebe ka ho asem no yes ye friend no G6PD na ye bebisa se eye dien de di kan eden na de ba na eba nso a ibi sen na ibi yitimi tu ase ana de ya na mo pese mo tene se ekum because obi asuro wo enti bebisa ho henfo na taade na bita nya wo mo tenten tietia kese ketwa kokko tuntum sikani hiani ana obia Dr. Lorraine Fosu Mensa anesthetics Doctor Department of Anesthesia Kolebu Teaching Hospital me sure say mama akoto no hope doc ehia
you honorable tike me mama chi
yeah na apombo ko de
nyame adom yegoso
okay so G6 no chire say glucose oh
very good glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase
glucose ni minima de kro
eno de aka ne na be ya 6 ne aka ne de ya
aka de me de achew
well de me pese on se to de bia nipa abeka apomdin ho asem obi si on beka brofo akese me nti ase na just all start here no wesisi na so but me wie no me hope so obi a o tie no not only say obeti ase but obebo hu de ro because they ade bia very common ena ade bia se wan hwe ni ye a ubisa owo di ampa
ti ben kam brofo na onyi ano can men kam brofo na onyi ano
oh me bo modern me
can it die you.
It can die you.
Oh.
Papa. It can die you.
No.
Se one, se it to me call extremes it can die you.
Okay.
Inti there are 3 concepts I'm a pese obiati asiansa na ma proceed. Yemfa ne say, the ma wo ye obema ena de ma me oba no, ye will be a friend ye genotype. Na ye free ye ma me ne ye papa. Inti wo a wo ye bema no, wo ye XY. Fa no 2 trim. Wo ye XY.
X
Y.
Like as in xylophone.
X, Y, Z, yes.
Oh,
X and Y. And no nema we ye bema.
Okay.
And a me ye XX. Inte no nema me ye oba.
XX.
XX.
Now why when?
Me ni Y. Inti me X free me mami. And me GX free me papa. And a mami ye oba.
Oba bia.
Oba bia. And a wo X if you mami. And a wo Y if you papa. And a ma we ye bema. That's concept 1. Then concept 2 ne say eba nipa moja mo asema ye moja na ye bibi twa na wo se moja ba ye kokko no it's because of a certain bibi e wo moja ma ye friend hemoglobin na hemoglobin no e was cell mum as a round and nam to say ne
okay.
These are the red blood cells.
Very
good.
We know okay the mama manfo ate ase okay twam ko
but
the back and round. I said toffee. Go ahead.
Very good. Wape red. Into no na with red blood cells. Into inside your red blood cells, people who are from hemoglobin. Into make us umoja form. It's actually HB and now hemoglobin now form. Then
the moja form in Chelsea be a moja nare.
To the bia moja bet to me too. Ebia wo ko wona moja 2 then as you are losing it, no be lose it, sir. Red blood
quantity,
cells.
No? All right, okay.
But ebia edidie ebia iron nim ananso say wo yare ana bibisa eno no betumi ama o HB anase umoja akofom. That's the concept 2.
Okay.
Concept 3, tk one beans da.
Beans
are yedi.
Oh yeah.
Beans
there Ghana. I mean no. Maybe if you buy the one beans cry.
It won't say to the be as opposite beans being tema o de count etum. Inti sa count now the tum emma beans no e being tem. Inti enfan say broni beka say e catalyze ana e acts as an enzyme ebema bibi iron in tem edru bibi foforo.
Okay.
Inti sa glucose 6 dehydrogenase no bibi a friend enzyme eboa ewo moja formation mu na eboa ma sa red wape tofe no etumi won say round inti say etumi nya ahoden a empapa easily send you won't lose moja but say sa glucose 6 dehydrogenase no say enim umoja mu to say say wa and na cause sa problem because ayesa na tofe no entumi nya red blood cells into me nya ahoden inti ade kakra bi pe na start e papai ade kakra bi pe na start e
frufru
en sedam frufru
be papai
emu pai inti wo se
say we say say tofre kwato da mo de ba na ebi mu apai
inti pai na de ewo mu no epiepie inti de ewo mu piepie no na de nsemba so we won se obi wo ha ase ni moja kofom na umoja kof se e papai na ni ewo mu no epia obi won se ebia weni aye yellow.
Woo.
Jaundice, very good. Adekye at times unim ni na. We are de. To go to nipa kono, why jaundice? Ebia oya de kakra no abre because ni moja na kofom. Oya de na kuma bone peri. O nanti free ha ko ha no abre. Eto de bia etumi ha adwen ama ema na kuma no kra feli.
It feel like say.
A feli. Boom. Because uhia
sa red. Say die o.
Na die na ebem.
Die na dying.
Say bibia the process into ekono na ye
no die
and na kidneys and so bit me affect your kidneys because as cells need break it down.
Lawrence na beto aso no
okay
e hwe we no akwara be na nanim aye course ano
very good inti on say jaundice na o kan no say we are exposed to certain things ebema o cells na break it down ebema sa fact say what G6PD no abem enti se ebia mama wendro bia ense self G6PD for nye maybe o ho muchi.
Okay, so you nipa bi o ho a
oh yes and you
be categorize o as G6PD4
and you bia na me wo hey me G6PD levels no ye normal.
All right,
okay, but obi o how be test no yes you or your G6PD full defect. I just say we need G6PD in the crime in the cells no any holding into exposing it to a little stress yare ebia wenya infection indro ebia induani bi to say fava beans and ye normal beans no but ye beans you friend fava beans and addict beans
o yanka ho asem e bi organa ha
fava beans na nkasa no and said that me ankasa mean be that but enye ye normal beans na ye di ne de enye fava beans but fava beans e bibia e ha adwema G6PD4 and
ade nti a ho me ni abre won say bia na obi nim no akwa akodi ti bia nka yehu ade kra type of beans
the best thing is say we'll find out say what G6PD deficiency maybe just to be safe stay away from beans but yeah normal beans in the cause it
all right
it's fava beans and said that common say and said that me ankasa kra me said there will be that there be but honorable TK them person me boss pa ye camphor camphor it's dangerous for more G6PD deficiency no and no to me trigger the breaking of blood
ni hua na said
say e wo ntare mu once obet once a camphor so age adem obi to me the two esikyere mu ye tea kora wote as a camphor wom ebinum kora the two nsuom
ya
Ebi obobo ne niema o say
now they are too say be
it can cause it into akora na hu no na no why yellow no a very common cause of obroni beka say neonatal jaundice. One of the causes akora wona within 3 days na fe why yellow ne nia yellow ni ade G6PD deficiency no etumi cause it into ema
what this serious ano enya wa ma this serious o
etumi akora ekun akora no into be say ebedru baby no say levels no cholesterol betumi no onya soro na am affect no into bibi to say G6PD no it's more common than we think.
More common.
It's more common than we nipa 20 for be G6PD deficiency.
20.
Yes. And
okay,
in the African population, it's very common in Africans. Enti na ye bibi e say nyina ye hu.
Wo betimi ahwe obi ani ma kan say we me suspect so be obi. Oga me mo ahwe
Emrante ni bi o.
Obi no bi heavy bi no asa mu obi.
E tester ye. Enti omo a obehun say apemfo bebre no ukoni antenatal as part of the routine tests you better check it because one say uko antenatal obehun say during the course of antenatal no you be ma malaria dro.
Okay.
Na sa edro a omude ma osene ebo ho ban free malaria during the pregnancy. Na indro bebre wo ho a say we exposed to na say wo G6PD deficiency na etumi ehadwen malaria ndro ni bi ka ho na painkiller kan APC on say aspirin aspirin paracetamol and caffeine and codeine.
Okay.
Na no bibia wo G6PD deficiency a ense of aspirin
because I'm told say thin blood.
Well, that's one of its functions, but it's the cause or how G6PD for, and it's not because of the blood thinning, but it's because acted to say stressor. Once I can say G6PD maybe or and
so just in 2 minutes you can stress no one. So say ni pano and stress is well nim say they say in fact they say crowd quiet to say oh okra no one yes my stressed up and okra swag so why stressed up no.
So the stresses, stress itself, it to me cause it. So what G6PD deficiency. Let me just my main boss will say G6PD no yenina say it is the deficiency. And
no. And no na
G6PD every normal person must have it, and you must have it in the right levels. Obi oha or full defect just woni bi kura obi oha or partial defect and you to me check it how much or but most of the time you check it say either you have it or you don't have it at all. Into the stresses, stress itself can trigger the breaking down. And now so say yare when your infection be because infection never causes stress.
Yeah.
And sana they may can say fava beans but the big problem indro any camphor. Into indro bi wo ha ebia painkillers bi aspirin malaria dru quinine ni ade no na antibiotics ni bi wo ho a ense so for intina de bia ye ka se wo yare a
my doctor trade drum
na wakogina pharmacy me pese because pharmacists no ono hu say ebia wo G6PD deficiency inti ne obeyane say edro na ono feel say ese wo fa no na watwora ma ebia nso you have that defect. And once you have that defect, now your cells start breaking down, umoja conform, why a jaundice, where you be kakra bread, and if your cells, red blood cells, it break it down, it to me affects your kidney, and that is where the danger comes in. I've seen patients or bar in now, it was so bad. None the blood cells they break it down because there are contents of the blood cells that it break it down now. Toxic to the kidney, say a build up. And see that is when your kidney can shut down.
I see. What cancer level? No, it means I was saying me whom level.
Absolutely.
I know my level.
You know your minimum level.
Anyway, so we should know our level.
Yes. So you should know whether you have the defect or not.
No, so it means that you just all testing.
It's
but
a very simple
more
test.
cancer young test the mental young testing for
G6PD. That's why I'm very happy say was started advocacy because like I said, very common in Africans. 20% of most Africans would have 20% of Africans bear G6PD deficiency.
You hear an internal.
Oh, I know they mean to me. Maybe it's just your genetic predisposition, but it's very common in Afro-Caribbeans.
Okay. My first message me be I say you respond to them now. Barry Anthony Ablade Obeng Efie Kumazungu or Sitiki. Good morning to you and your guests, Doc. What causes? I hope so. We mean favism. Do we have anything now? Favism?
So it's a very good question. So the favism is from the fava beans.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So the favism leads to
the favism from the beans.
From the beans. Favism.
Yes. Gobevim, so they free gobevim.
And now man crofo di omu beans are
And which country is G6PD deficiency more common? And which drugs should be avoided?
That's
okay. Well, born in Namse or the Bayansana, okay, Kentino. But among African countries, you know,
honestly, mean to me, Casabia because of this or this, maybe Ghana, Nigeria. But once we are of African descent, we are all at risk. We have a higher risk of having it, and we are bare manswa. Because once I can say medican can XXXY and it's linked genetic into free your parents.
Yeah.
Because it is more common on the X, no. Because me XX no, it's less likely say me or ba no me exhibit. But because we be ma X bar compare no. Once so no, it will express itself.
You mean transplant
like you can't transmit it.
Say
be a mebo what is a coronavirus.
There be sanka ye excess inanka ya job be wide ya be kan ye no intimi.
Unfortunately no. Once I XY the or XY.
Forever XY.
Forever XY.
Okay. Empress Naba says that if many churches and people do these tests, nothing will take them by surprise.
Absolutely.
Okay, I think it's an advice.
Yes. That's very good advice.
Especially when they're going to get married.
Yes.
Do people still do
because they say love noise such that we take opportunity of antenatal. Instead of your obabia onima antenatal because as part of antenatal test, you check it because you be malaria drobi during the pregnancy. So what G6PD be how I drink.
G6PD test no. Is it required? Does it matter?
Oh, it helps. I think screening yourself as an individual, your health status and everything. So check your sickling status. So check G6PD. So blood group. So maybe to me who HIV status cry it's excellent.
Yeah.
So onamne de obi oha ne kasi ho every 3 months. Every people sorry we too polish or they be a mechanic me service na so. And so when you pedriana or kaka ne de Dr. Krabe 10 years in and we must value our bodies because it's the most important asset.
But my mean be so on that note to say. And then my person you be a car come as a sign oil, yes, sign plugs near the batter by any pedrian there. Then a Ariana and so deficiency be
I think it's a mentality because Ophelia say a can scanner metoy. And na bibi say ya meboka me engine say ya meboka but once nya me de yan kasa ye nipeduane or de achen inframa na ye hwia no ye ntua so we take things for granted but you are your most valuable asset enye wo ka enye wo dan because wo ahoto a wo ahode an to me ye adwuma ti mesre say at least every 6 months be a hospital ye check up na yen fefe oni yen hu se bibia you okay
every 6 months.
It would be excellent if you can do that, especially above the age of 35.
So the area will cost service.
Exactly.
Cost service, no.
Exactly. And men say after the age of 35, prostate, where the matiafa suka but once I have this platform, I'd like to take this opportunity. Mema or prostate, or kidney, or heart, or cholesterol, or BP, or sugar. Near maybe or checking in tema. And my complications, no, embim. Yeah.
wakofa prostate ababa me sasa questioning because nano on say sa WhatsApp groups ya wasui ya eta sata ka messages bebre na ba kwa mensa kan o kan prostate ho asem no okay ose banchi
cassava.
Yes yeah pa.
You see, cassava itself, there are certain types of cassava. Certain toxins.
Okay, so quickly, I mean, can we say, after doing some investigations, it turned out that apricot seeds contain vitamin B17. While being treated for cancer, I would look for food that also contained vitamin B17. It turned out that cassava has vitamin B17.
As to the fact that cassava has B17, that one day, I'm not too sure. But what I am sure of is that some types of cassava, certain toxins are carcinogenic. It can cause you to develop cancer. It can. But there are certain types of banchia containing some of these toxins. When it comes to what to eat and what not to eat, it's a very difficult thing, but eat healthily, eat right.
Okay.
Drink lots of water at the right time. Lots of fruits.
The right quantum.
The quantity. Obi oho say ne medi dokuno miensa. Breakfast no pay dokuno miensa at a go, and that is a lot. It's not about not eating. It's not about say mindidi, but the quantity now obedino, and then your vegetables, your fruits, ensure exercise. And then regular checkups, because now we are being exposed to enema bebrea air cause cancer. Intenye say media me bomb me bre ye, me didi ye, me exercise, me num nsio, me num cigarette. But you can still get cancer because of certain things that we can't control.
Okay.
Yeah.
Doc, I repair that the amount that I say more is the fact so people you are at the right place at the right time. And then amount of people sir.
Me your chini, I want searching for the
eating place be a friend of Obajo.
Okay.
6-9 ready.
And I'm
telling you.
When you say date,
anyway, so the Amen Scientific Herbal and Alternative Medical Hospital say omo numbers ni 0207229505 0245 275 254 0244 227 192. Dr. Lorraine Ofosumensa, anesthetist doctor, Department of Anesthesia, Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Ne nkomo de de ne brofo de de ne twi so de de ne fufudi enso so. Doc, it has pi.
Kwacho me dasi.
Ye peje mu se ba behwetwe nkomo bebre. Nti eba si da be ne be ka ho asemawie. Register no ye ntro ana ma ye ntro. Montwe ye basisia.